Hey, welcome everybody. Mr. On Demand, man with the master plan, back again. It came to my thought that people don't really know what a DDNS is. Dynamic DNS. What that is to make it real simple, you sign up on a site to get a web address. Then you can register that website address with your home IP so that when you go to that web address, you actually get a website address and then it actually opens up your website. Um, so you can get your own web hosting by hosting it at home. Let's just say, for instance, you have a home NAS, or you have a home server, or you have a Synology, or you have a QNAP, or you built your own NAS, like I've shown how to do in videos. And if you don't know, there'll be a link up here that I just did a video showing prices to do a very inexpensive, buy the parts to do one very inexpensively. I'll be doing full software installs and setup for a lot of that on this channel as well coming in the future. So if you want to see that information, subscribe to the channel so you'll definitely get that content. But this is a real simple thing. All you have to do is is sign up for free and put the your IP address in with them, and then you own a domain name. From there, you can take your home server and you can make it your web hosting server. It can host your website. It can even host email. It can even host an FTP server on that domain name. So that gives you a lot of ability. And the site I use for that is DuckDNS. Free dynamic DNS hosted with AWS. AWS, if you don't know, that's one of the major server companies that goes through Amazon. I'm not a big Amazon fan. As you guys know, I do not like Fire Sticks and I don't like the platform, but they are one of the major server companies out there for hosting all types of servers. Now you can sign up with this, and what you do, it's very simple. You just sign up and then you pick a name that's available, and your website will be whatever website name you want. Mine's MrOndemandTV.duckdns.org, and you can pick whatever name you want, and then you get your website name. You don't get a domain name. You actually have to pay for full domain names, and you can do that if you'd like as well. But if you want something free, and you want a website for free, and then you want to host it for free and literally pay zero monthly fees for web hosting or a domain name, you can do this and host your server at home on your home internet. As long as your home internet's a decent enough speed, or if you don't have a lot of traffic going to the website, you're going to be fine. But that saves you money. That saves you money. You can host anything you want, any kind of content you want, whether it be your personal home pictures or documents, or whether it be your personal movies and TV show files, or whether it be a whole bunch of APKs that you like to install onto your streaming device, or whether you made yourself a custom Kodi build and you want to host your Kodi build on that server for yourself. You can do all of that for free. No monthly fees, no anything. Now, if you want to have more detailed video on how to make that happen, let me know down in the comments below, and I will definitely make that happen. But this was just a video talking about what a DDNS. A lot of people don't know what a DDNS is. It's just getting you a free web hosting name, and then you have a web address. And once you get that web address and you link it to your IP address at your home, and occasionally if your IP address changes, because a lot of us are on what's called dynamic, a lot of some of the people in the comments, well, but your RIP changes because of dynamic. It's fine. It's a home server. You can change the IP address. If your IP address changes, you just go in and change it, so that's not a real difficult thing to do. on the DuckDNS site, and I will do some more detailed videos on that. But I wanted to talk about that. I want to see, first of all, I wanted to also put the feelers out and see if anybody's interested in this kind of information. Because if you want to host if you already have your own server at home, if you already have a NAS, if you already have these things, or an extra PC that you can turn into a little server for yourself, yeah, why not? Why not have your own little home server? Um, this was Mr. On Demand, and I hope you guys all are having a great day. Leave a thumbs up if you like this information. If you don't like it, let me know down below what you didn't like about it. If this isn't something you're interested in, that's absolutely fine. We all are interested in doing different things. I'm a real tech nerd, so I like all this tech stuff. A lot of people don't care, they don't give a crap. That's fine too. I don't, you know, I don't care either way. I'm just trying to do content that I think is interesting to people. So if nobody is interested in this, then I won't follow up. But I got to put some feelers out there first and see if people are interested in this content. If you like this, leave a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, let me know down below, as always. And you know what? I am not monetized. I'm doing this for free. So the least you can do is leave me a comment and a thumbs up. Even if you didn't like the video, just say, well, respectfully, I'm not interested in this. Leave a comment down below. And if you do like this and you want to see future step-by-step videos on how to make all this happen, then let me know that down below as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys have a great day.